On this channel, you've seen me showcase a lot of builds. We've seen coin ops, we've seen retro bat, we've seen a lot of virtual man builds, we've seen some launch box builds, hyperspin builds, and many, many others. And some of those builds are located on a service called backups.me. And so in this video, I want to share with you how you would go about getting access for backups.me. Now, before I get started in this video, not everything is illegal. If a file does not actually hold any ROMs, which, for example, Virtual Man's latest retro bat build, the base image doesn't come with any ROMs. You have to add your own ROMs. Now, before I get into any kind of legal advice, every country has their own copyright laws, what's considered public domain and what's considered somebody else's work. So check with your local country and do this at your own risk. But as far as moving forward, in order to get access to backups.me, you do need to get Discord. So Discord is a chat app. It's actually really great and it's free to use. So just go ahead and type Discord. I'll put a link in the description and then go ahead and hit download and go ahead and install the app. It should be fairly easy to install. If you cannot install Discord, you probably don't want to continue with this tutorial because you're going to get lost somewhere else if that is the case. After you install Discord, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to send you to the backups.me channel on Discord. Do know that Discord has some really good channels. There's some really good, like the CoinOps people have a channel, RetroFE has a channel, Darzone and Virtual Man, a lot of them have channels where you can get some really good support if you need it. But for this video, all you need is the backups.me Discord channel. It should look something like this, and you have all these little options on the left here with other parts like Virtual Man support, CoinOps support, general question. The first site you'll see is the README site. Go ahead and read through this. If you notice here, it says typing rules will take you to the next channel. Now I already have my rules done, but I can go ahead and copy, paste, enter, which takes me to the next site right here. I want you to read through the rules, what they're all about. This is literally a small team of people. They literally depend on your donations to keep their servers up and to keep their services going. So it's just important that A, you're respectful, and B, that think about donating, especially if you get some sort of value out of them. So what you do is you read all this, and if you notice all the way at the bottom, it says type $Discord to proceed. So that's what you would do here. Hit enter, and then now all of a sudden this will appear here, Discord rules. When you're done, type $invite. So once you have this channel right here looking for an invite, you'll just go ahead and click that. I'm not going to show that on the screen here. Instead, I'm going to show you what they ask for when you get to that screen is they want you to write a brief introduction. They want you to say, hi, introduce yourself. Which Discord do you come from? Why do you want to be part of this community? So you could say, don't say DrewTalks sent you, because I'm not the one building any of this stuff. Just let them know, are you a Raspberry Pi person? Are you, a CoinOps person? Are you a Virtual Man person? And be nice, tell them a little something, and bear in mind that they're not there all the time. What that means is be patient. Don't just go in there and say, yo, I read through all the stuff, give me an invite right now. It doesn't, that's not very nice. If anything, you should go ahead and write something and then consider donating. So it's at that point in the process, once you send in your looking for an invite, you should be prompted with a private message or something of that sort to then gain access to the site. So there are people that just want the download and they don't care. They just want to grab it and go home and don't want to do anything else. This website's probably not for you. The way this website works is it's a community, and so they do expect you to reseed, or I believe there's some other ways that you can just download stuff, like through donating or something like that. It's just if everyone went on there and just downloaded a ton of stuff, it just wouldn't be economically possible and they would have to shut down because of the lack of funding. So just keep it cool. There's some really great comments in there. There's some really great discussions. There's some really great builds. So I did want to also bring up Arcade Punks as another option. And I'm by no means making this video to say stop going to Arcade Punks or stop doing this. A lot of people have questions about backups.me and I want to answer those. There's absolutely a lot of people in my chat who actually prefer Arcade Punks, and go ahead, you can go here and get a lot of those game packs and things that I speak about in my videos. They even showcase me and ETA Prime and MadLowPixel and other really great YouTubers on their website. And so it's a good resource as well. And technically you don't need to make an account, although a lot of people do complain that there's a lot of ads and pop-ups on this particular website. For the most part, 90% or 80% of both of the builds that I show in my videos are on Backups.me and Arcade Punks. There are pros and cons to both platforms, and I'm not going to sit here and nitpick each one because they'll probably think I'm picking sides or some sort. I do think it's worth noting whoever the original image creator was or whoever the person was that created the original software. You might want to consult with them what they recommend, because they're the ones that will give you any kind of customer service or help getting a build to work. You will also need a torrent program. A lot of you already have one installed, but if you do need one, I recommend QBitTorrent. That's just the one I use, but there's uTorrent. There's many, many others. You can run a Google search and find many that will satisfy your needs. So there you have it. That's how you get an invite to Backups.me. I also shared with you some other resources that are out there. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.